Still snowing like crazy here. It's been going on and on and on. 2 bird feeders. Lots of birds today. Snow in the trees. Snow everywhere. I should have known yesterday at the back of my head I had a pain. It wouldn't go away. I should have known. Okay, so I'm really not very good at this, but I'm out here taking a walk in the second big snowfall that we've had this winter. And I liked it. I already dug out my car, and I really like weather. Well, I like all weather. I mostly just like being alive. So anyway, taking a little walk. Ooh, getting cold, because the wind's picking up here because I'm down here at the corner, and I'm probably going to head out on College Parkway. And this is my cul-de-sac in the snow. And maybe when I get back I'll have something else to say, but I can't think of anything right now. Okay, bye.